I had one dual charger back then, but it kind of spoiled. It's kind of big. Today we're going to be covering the USN2 from NiteCore. Hi guys, I hope you have been doing great. As you can see, I got a new haircut. Yeah, it's getting hot around here in Singapore. Anyways, we're going to be covering dual chargers today. I had one dual charger back then, but it kind of spoiled. Okay, the screen kind of cracked and it's kind of big. So I bought one NiteCore charger back then and I really loved it. Let me show you. It's called the USN1. Once it's powered on, you'll be able to see the indication on the screen and you can be able to put two battery chargers here. Today we're going to be covering the USN2 from NiteCore. Alright, I just got my package right here and it's not even open yet. Let's unbox and let's see what's inside. It's a nice little bubble wrap. I always like bubble wraps. You can like pop it. It's kind of therapeutic. Oops. Look at the packaging. I like it's quite simple and the color design is quite nice. Anyway, I got this for about $49. Okay, so from the inside, you'll be able to get like menus which most likely you will not read. Who reads menus anyway? Okay, and the thing itself. Okay, anyway, I got this one is mainly for my Sony RX100, which I'm shooting right here. It's all the NP-BX1 batteries. Okay, so let's fit in two before I on it for charging. So it fits in right here. Okay, one at the front, one at the back. Though I prefer both at the front, but I guess they occupy more space. Let's see, where's the USB cable? Oh, it's at the side. Look. Okay, so for this to charge, you will need a power bank. Right here, I've got my Xiaomi power bank. So let's on and let's have a look. Yay, it's on. Okay, so like I mentioned, you'll be able to see the charging levels here. Okay, the percentage and the volts. Of course, it will take some time to charge and it'll show you slot 1 and slot 2. So one of them is obviously more full than the other, so it's not charging. This is really a very portable charger that you can bring around everywhere. You don't even need a AC adapter or power plug anywhere. You can just bring it on the go. That's one thing I love about this. And comparing with my spoiled dual charger, this one needs a wall plug and this one doesn't. So although this one costs so much more, this one, if I remember, it costs about 30 or 20 something, whereas this one costs nearly about 50. Well, you get what you paid for, right? So this one is so small. Look, this is my hands and mine aren't the very large hand, so it's quite an average hand. It's so small. Not just this one, but many other NiteCore chargers. Okay, so I hope you like this quick review and unboxing on the H2N2 for Sony batteries. Please leave down in the comments below if you have the same view as me on the charger and if you have other chargers to recommend. And I'll see you around.